Today we'll be reviewing the mockups of the new Vexa interface, and I'll be giving my feedback on how to improve it. So I've created this figma to specify a few user flows, use cases that this interface is going to serve. So there are a few of them. First is researching a specific meeting. This is where we find ourselves in the interface after a meeting. The other one is the search use case, which is we use to search for specific information across the meetings. It's like at least the SEO tools mentioned during our meetings. The next is a general research, is like create a report on marketing for December. The next is where we add a new piece of context. We just add a new document to the system. And the last one is starting a new recording from inside the interface, which is probably will not be covered within this version. Okay, let's start from the first one. This one is after the meeting is finished, we find ourselves on the dashboard, and that's how it's going to look like. I believe it will be something like this. We have the meeting page open, the contact page, which at this point in time contains only the transcript. Then we have the chat, which allows to ask arbitrary questions and give arbitrary tasks. And we got quick actions. Quick actions is a single button push request, like action points, summary, and etc. So we push this button, and we've got the output. We iterate on the output, giving feedback, and we've got the result, which is something we want to store as a content item, which belongs to this meeting. A child content. So we want to be able to show this one here, and I believe we have summary here, and all the other pieces of child content will be markdown as well at this point in time. Later on there will be widgets like cards, but for now it will be markdown. So we want to be able to render multiple pieces of child content here, and to choose which one to dive into and edit. So we will be able to edit it manually. Okay, so going back to the diagram, it's here. So we've got action items, chat, and child content saved and rendered on the content page. So we want to be able to see the content page together with the chat side by side here. So we tend to work simultaneously on these two things. And we want to be able to create a new thread here and go back to some of the other threads. Okay, let's move to the next use case, which is searching. When searching, we start with a chat. Where it is, it's like this. We can specify context by referencing meetings, speakers, tags, and other types of content. And we'll be like search for SEO tools mentioned. So we get results which have these content references, which look like these circles. I can't find them now, these reference items. And by clicking on them, we are going to open this context window again, and we want to be able to switch between meetings by clicking on this reference items. So where are these reference items here? Not sure. It's pretty slow. Figma gets pretty heavy, even though I have a pretty powerful computer. Okay, let's get back. So basically, we switch between these use cases here. Is where we review the results, the search results. We go to a specific meeting, and we can switch to another one and another one, like this. The next use case is general research. Is pretty much the same thing as the previous use case, but instead of going to specific pieces of content, we got a report which we want to turn into an artifact, basically a new piece of context, a new piece of content, sorry, just normal text content, so that this piece of content does not have a parent, so it will have its own page, and it will be editable the same way as this markdown. Next, basically that's it, because the next one is just we go to the dashboard and we want to add a new piece of text, a new piece of content, by pushing and create new node button, where we just copy paste new text or type in a new node which is converted to the piece of content. And that's basically it for now. The only thing that's missing is prompts editing and creating new prompts, which are these things and these things. We've got like two types of prompts, which this one is a kind of preset which modifies system prompt or user prompt, does not matter for now. It modifies the prompt, it prepends the context. And these quick actions are more about single push prompts. Is that we've got the content, we push a button, we've got the results, and then we iterate on the results in chat. So we need an interface to edit and create new prompts. I think that's basically it for now. Okay, thanks for watching this.